Welcome to the in front of me iPhone 14 Plus, and I'll show you how to activate Hey Siri feature on this device. So first, let's open the settings application and then scroll to the Siri and Search section. Here we can see listen for Hey Siri section. We should use this switcher and tap to enable Siri. Now to set up Hey Siri feature, we should click here to continue and say Hey Siri. Hey Siri, send a message. Hey Siri, how's the weather today? Hey Siri, set a timer for 3 minutes. Hey Siri, play some music. Now just click here to done, and one will say Hey Siri. We can see that the Siri is activated successfully. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.